So for the belt, again, I am using 3-meter length cords. So I've also used 2 clasps for the hanging part or the belt. So let's have the cords. Here I have 3 cords, you can see, and I'm trying to add them into the clasp, and these 3 cords are of 3-meter length. So here you can see I am adding the cords using luckhead knot. So what I've done, because I don't want to keep it so thin, so I am just folding these end in to 3 inches, and then I am just adding them like this, and then I'm now going to make a wrapping knot again. So this time I am using a half a meter long cord for the wrapping knot, or you can do 30 centimeter as well. 30 centimeter will work as well. So this is how I just created the wrapping knot. Once the knot is done, I'm going to create the belt parts. For the belt part, I have made a 3 cord belt. Basically it is a braid which is very common for hair braiding. Here you can see I've started creating the braid, same like braiding hair. So you can see I have just created, and now we are at the end almost. So I'm just going to keep creating it until the end, and then and make a double hitch knot so that we can cover all the deep part on the clasp. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you like the tutorial. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.